Just 1 minute. Another 3 months, CCP elections would be there. So how are you looking at those elections? Just give one comment. CCP elections would be there.
Yeah.
So how are you looking at those elections now?
No, as Minister has said, we're looking to win all 30 out of 30 seats.
Yeah.
I mean, the corporation has done, I think, the most in these 5 years than any other in the past. So we are hoping that we get a clear mandate from the people. I know my team and all of us have worked extremely hard. We're going to continue to do so in the future.
Do you, since for the last 5 years you are the mayor there, any difficulties you feel that would be because the way projects and everything you all have taken up?
See, there will always be difficulties and everything. Now it's our job to basically find solutions to all of these things. So even with Smart City Works, any issues that they have currently, also we're in the process of getting them fixed. There were these issues with sewage that's flowing into people's colonies and everything also. So we've spoken to CS and we've spoken to everybody else. So they promised us to get it rectified in the next 10 days. So we're following up on all the issues whenever these things crop up also.
कोणची कामं पेंडिंग उरल्या तुमची
From CCP side?
Yeah.
Smart City side? See, Smart City now, it's only whatever those road projects are, means new works. New works at 18 June Road and all are supposed to be taken up now. Maybe not this year, but sometime next year. I think the estimates are ready. They're waiting for financial approval. But as and when there are issues, we will...
One more thing is that due to...
काकुलो मलाकडे आम्ही पहिले झालं तर परत त्यांच्यानी काम सुरू केलं ते जे आमचे
See that now, that's the same. There's an issue with the sewage line. I think the main line the old line has been broken. So now we have asked them to find a solution because all the sewage is flowing back into people's homes and it's proving to be a health issue. So they've assured us within the next 10 days they'll get it rectified. So we are also in the process of following it up with everybody.
One more thing is that as a mayor, there had always been a tingle problems as far as smart city and CCP is concerned. Maybe during rainy season, planning or something. Will those issues affect during SMA
See, last
elections?
year there was absolutely no issue with regards to the rain. So now since since our council has come, 2 or 3 out of these 5 years, there have been no issues with flooding at all. This is the first time it's happened in, I don't know, 20 or 30 years or something like that. So we have been working hard. Like I said, see now our issues people should not concern themselves as our issues. It is our duty to solve those issues. So all of these issues now, we promise to get it resolved within
Okay,
our
last.
thing.
Is Rohit only thinking about CCP, not assembly?
Okay, bye.